Woodworking is one of the oldest and most rewarding crafts known to humankind, offering a wide range of advantages that go far beyond the obvious aesthetic appeal of wood itself. The moment you begin working with wood, you realize it's not just about cutting, shaping, or assembling materials. It's a process that cultivates patience, problem-solving, creativity, and even mindfulness. Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where the warmth of wood meets the wonder of imagination. In today's video, we are diving into the world of rustic and random wood furniture and decor ideas with natural charm. These aren't your typical, uniform furniture pieces. They are spontaneous, raw, and full of character. Whether it's a live-edge coffee table, a gnarled wood shelf, or an unexpected log bench, every piece tells a story. If you're looking to add unique personality to your home using the beauty of natural wood, stay tuned. This collection will spark your creativity like never before. In a fast-paced digital world, woodworking offers a return to the tactile, the physical, and the real. It slows you down, grounding you in the moment. The rhythmic motion of sanding, the quiet concentration while carving, or the steady hand required for precise joinery all promotes a meditative state that reduces stress and anxiety. Many people describe woodworking as a form of active meditation, where the mind focuses entirely on the task at hand and everything else temporarily fades away. Woodworking empowers people with self-reliance. Knowing how to build a chair, fix a broken table leg, or create customized storage solutions from scratch is not just a hobby, it's a life skill. Woodworkers can craft furniture tailored to specific needs or spaces, avoiding the limitations of mass-produced items. Instead of relying on what's available in stores, they design according to personal taste, home dimensions, and functional preferences. These results in more meaningful and purposeful interiors, often imbued with stories and emotional connection. There's immense pride in using something every day that you built with your own hands. It's a kind of satisfaction that money can't buy. Moreover, woodworking nurtures creativity and artistic expression. The variety of wood types, oak, walnut, cedar, pine, cherry, and many more, all possess different colors, textures, densities, and grain patterns. These characteristics allow for an endless combination of finishes and styles, from rustic and traditional to ultra-modern and minimal. Whether crafting intricate carvings, smooth curved forms, geometric sculptures, or minimalist furniture, wood offers a canvas that responds well to the artisan's touch. The more time someone spends with the material, the more they understand how to coax out its natural beauty, highlighting knots, swirls, or burls that turn ordinary objects into works of art. On a deeper level, woodworking can serve as a bridge to sustainability and eco-conscious living. By choosing to use reclaimed, salvaged, or responsibly sourced wood, woodworkers contribute to a culture of reuse and environmental awareness. Unlike plastics and metals that are energy-intensive to produce and recycle, wood is biodegradable, renewable, and often locally available. Using discarded furniture parts, scrap lumber, or fallen branches not only reduces waste, but also imbues the finished product with unique character and a second life. Many modern woodworkers align their craft with sustainable values, designing for longevity, durability, and repairability, qualities that sharply contrast with today's disposable consumer culture. Woodworking is also incredibly adaptable to all skill levels. Beginners can start with simple projects like planters, picture frames, or stools using basic tools, while advanced artisans might take on complex cabinetry, fine joinery, or sculptural pieces. It welcomes everyone, regardless of age, background, or education, and provides a continuous path of growth. The learning never truly ends. There's always a new tool to master, a new wood type to explore, or a fresh technique to try. This built-in evolution makes woodworking deeply fulfilling, as each completed project builds confidence and expands one's capabilities. There is also something deeply satisfying and grounding about the material itself, wood. Its texture, scent, and feel are intrinsically comforting. The grain tells a story of growth rings, weather patterns, and natural aging. Touching wood is like touching history, and shaping it becomes a dialogue between human and nature. Unlike synthetic materials, wood breathes, ages, and changes over time. It can darken, patina, or crack slightly, not as a flaw, but as a testament to its natural origin. Owning wooden objects often leads to appreciation, not only of the item itself, but of the trees, forests, and ecosystems that made them possible. Even the tools used in woodworking offer satisfaction. Whether it's the gentle swish of a hand plane, the rhythmic beat of a mallet, or the precision of a router, using tools effectively brings a powerful sense of mastery. With experience, the tools become extensions of the hand, allowing the maker to bring ideas to life with precision and artistry. This harmony between mind, hand, tool, and material is rare in modern life and is part of what makes woodworking so addictive and enriching. Ultimately, this style invites you to slow down and appreciate the craftsmanship, history, and natural form of each item. It's less about trends and more about timeless beauty. Less about perfection and more about presence. Whether you build these items yourself, repurpose found materials, or support local artisans who do, you're creating a home that's rooted in authenticity. So, as you explore this video and discover our handpicked rustic and random wood decor ideas, we hope you're inspired to look at wood not just as a material, but as a living memory. One that brings warmth, depth, and story into every room it touches. The advantages of woodworking extend far beyond the workshop. It builds character, enhances problem-solving skills, nurtures creativity, promotes sustainability, and fosters meaningful human connections. It's a practice rooted in tradition, but endlessly modern in its possibilities. Whether done for personal fulfillment, economic gain, artistic expression, or community engagement, woodworking remains one of the most rewarding pursuits a person can undertake. It teaches us to slow down, to see beauty in imperfection, and to find value not only in the finished piece, but in the journey of making itself. In a world that constantly pushes us toward faster, cheaper, and newer, woodworking gently reminds us of the value of craftsmanship, patience, and authenticity, qualities that never go out of style. Thanks for watching Kuki Decor. We hope you found inspiration in these rustic and random wood furniture and decor ideas with natural charm. Remember, the best pieces don't always come from a showroom. Sometimes, they are found in the forest, reclaimed from a barn, or made with your own hands. Nature already provides the beauty. You just need to see it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wood-inspired design ideas every week. See you in the next one.